It's the microphone. It's recording. Listen, I'm done with this deity D3C3 PO microphone. Is
POS.
PO? It's a POS is what the actual acronym should be. How do you get the damn thing? I don't even know how to get it off of here. Hold on a minute. I'll show you exactly what I'm working with here. Just look, see it? There it is.
Did you see?
You have to remember to turn this freaking microphone on. And I think that's crap. There's too much, you know, when you're in a hurry to try to film something, the last thing you're trying to think about is, did I turn the microphone on? You already had to turn the camera on, make sure the battery's good, make sure the memory card was empty, make sure what you're filming is ready to go, and then you got to remember to turn on a microphone. Anyway, so let's redo all that. Since July 4th, we have not been able to legally ride Mrs. Moto's Yamaha R3 on the streets. I know it's been a long time since we made a moto video with this bike, and it's because of what happened on July 4th, so I'll let you recap that. Okay, anyway, now you've seen Ralphie completely destroy the rear end of Mrs. Moto's motorcycle. We finally got the last of the parts in.
Look.
From, what is it?
How did the top of the bolts get
Where's that? Where was that at?
The seat.
I have no idea.
Seat. The seat didn't get touched.
I don't know. Anyway, the last of the parts came in. We wound up, we couldn't get them from our normal Yamaha dealer that's, you know, in town. We actually, those parts from China are on back order for as far as their computer system can tell you that it's on back order. So we have no idea when we were going to get the parts in. So I went out on my own and found a site online and ordered them from Taiwan, and we had them in, like, I don't know, less than 10 days we had them from Taiwan. So got the parts in. If I'd have known that, I would have done that months ago. But anyway, Mr. Moto's starting to tear this thing apart, or put it back together, if you will. It's our second TST taillight we're going to be installing. Link to the original there, because we've already installed this once before. Now we're kind of installing it with nothing. We don't even know where it goes now, because there's...
It goes here, but you have to...
Okay, I got to adjust those?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got to turn it and put it down.
Okay.
But I figured putting this on before the sides would be easier, because we had to bend the back part out to slide this in.
Yeah, it would be easy if that was already in, right?
Yeah. So
I
figured
agree.
we'll do this first and then put the sides on.
Yeah, that sounds good to me. So you want to hold the camera, I'll bend all that back. So let me have this as a reference. So this goes, I'm assuming underneath. Yeah, there's rubber. No, where's it? There should be rubber pieces for this.
Working out of the box again.
Hey, you gotta, if you're not working out of a box of tools, we might be in trouble. Do we even have from the original light, or did we ever pull those rubber pieces off?
I don't know. I didn't touch any of this. You did it.
Of course I did. All right. But I'm pretty sure there were rubber bumpers on there.
Yeah.
So let me go check the other taillight.
Are they on there?
Huh?
Are they on there? Good.
Yeah, plus there's these side ones I don't know if we're gonna need. Yep, looks like we're gonna need these too, so that's good. There's the original. That's all that's left of it. It's this exact same taillight. Alright, so these go in there. Love this TST taillight so much I bought it twice. Okay, now the other question is, I wonder if it goes above. Yeah, it has to go above it because that's the nut on the bottom. So yeah, it's got to come down quite a bit, huh? Next on Benimoto's tips and tricks, how to use your box of tools for everything, anything. I mean, that's mangled, but you know what? If we can get it close. We're getting a lot closer. I think we just have to go a little more. It does go up on a slight angle.
Maybe we should put the plastics on first.
Yeah, because I don't know exactly. This thing can't go all the way down here, can it? If this goes all the way down here. And we're still way off. All right, let's put on some more parts before we go too far. What?
I don't remember how to put any of this together.
I don't either. Here, we're gonna take a break a minute and see, and probably watch my video of how we tore the bike apart and see how we put it back on. Yeah, we got no idea what the hell we're doing. So we're just gonna wing it. Alright, so the issue we're having at this point, which should easily be solvable with a angle grinder. This little nubbin right here, not the long pointed one, not this one, but this little piece right here, it's preventing us from latching that seat all the way down because the metal's bent on the frame. There's nothing I can do about that. Without like a torch and, you know, a bunch of stuff, there's nothing I can do about that. So here, hold this. Let me get this in place and show them what we're getting stuck on. Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Basically, this plastic piece is hitting the metal here. I can't move that metal down anymore because what's happening is there's a big dent right here in this plate. This dent needs to go up, which would allow this bracket to go down farther and latch. We're only off by about 1/4 inch. So I got something in my damn hair. So I'm gonna take a grinder and I'm gonna grind this down a little bit just to get that seat to latch. And hopefully still when it's all said and done, all these parts line up like they're supposed to.
Well,
because this seat is not going down as far as it's supposed to be going down. Grinder, you know, I don't know why I just don't grab one of these damn wheels and work. I've been using the same flat disc for a long time now. One of these days I'll upgrade that too. Loud noise. Now the good news is we have that giant nubby right here that'll actually keep that seat from wobbling or anything once it's down in there. Not that you're gonna ride with a passenger anyway.
no.
Alright, let's try that. This might be more than a day project, Mama Bear.
Yeah. Right, we're almost there. We just gotta put the light on.
We're almost there. Oh, that's so close.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, I gotta come down more with that. Almost though. Get in there. There we go.
It clicked.
You're in. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That plastic goes right. Well, the other side really goes where it's supposed to. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's because it's probably just still because it's bent down a little.
Yeah. We'll figure it out when we screw it all in.
Okay.
Good thing with plastic, it is easy manipulated.
Easily. Oh my God, I got. All right, Mom Bear. Tail light, I guess, right? Well, let's take that back off. Yeah. Okay. Oh God. I just saved it with my foot. I saved it with my foot, Mama Bear. I saved it with my foot. This isn't the one you sit on.
I know, but still.
It's scary when you're mad, Mama.
No, it's scary when you're mad because you sound like your dad.
You're right, Mama Bear. Do we have...
Here, hold that.
We're missing wires.
No, we're not.
Oh, never mind. You got them all. Where's that one go to?
Isn't it the old brake light?
Oh, yeah. I think there was something you didn't need. I can't remember. We'll find out when we start it up. And I have to tear it all apart again.
You're gonna have to tell me which side turns on.
Okay. Oh, it's on. Hey, you have to plug it in.
I know that. But the right one should be on.
The right one should be on?
Anything?
Nothing.
Oh, then I did it backwards.
Hey, yep, that works. All right, cool. Just test the other one just to make sure.
gotta plug them both in anyway.
Well, I know. I mean, go ahead and hit the turn signal when you're ready.
It's already.
Yay! Nice.
Both of them?
Sure. I'd say hit the front brake light. All right. Let's change the setting now. You had this setting last time.
I don't like the blinking one.
All right. So let's see. Try it now. Wow, that one is like a strobe.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay. Maybe you have to let off. Try it again. Okay, let off. Try it again.
Yeah.
That's just solid red.
I'd rather just a solid.
Okay. You don't want that quick
no,
flash?
because it looks like there's something wrong with your taillight, like it's gonna go out.
Okay.
I like just the solid
All right,
one.
solid light. It is. It's your bike. We're so close to victory.
I want to get these plastic pieces in.
Okay. I have no idea what went
Maybe
there.
not. Maybe not. Maybe we should do the light first so we can.
Probably a good idea, because I might still have to bend that metal. I might still have to bend this bracket down or do something with it. It goes on top, yeah. All right, we found a couple bolts that'll work. It's a problem when you just completely destroy the rear end of a motorcycle, you lose half the hardware. Pedals. What goes on the back? We don't have it. We don't have that part.
What?
Wasn't there a little Yamaha thing that slid in there?
Yeah.
Shit.
I didn't know that. I forgot.
Crap. So we are still missing a part.
Yeah.
Dang it. Yeah, when this is all done and these parts are put together where they're supposed to be, this one's still not. There it goes. When this is sitting like this, there's a little piece of plastic that slides in here and it has the Yamaha emblem on it. And that's what finishes that all up. That's why these slots are important, because that hooks in those slots.
I thought this hooked underneath the light.
Damn it, no.
That might be easy. Fine. Hopefully.
It should be. If not, we'll order it from our pals over in Taiwan. Well, let's try to get, because once you get some of these clips in, it's not going to go anywhere.
No, and this, you don't have to take anything apart to put it on.
Right, it just slides right on. It's like the last part that goes on.
Yep. Okay.
All right. You remember what's next? I don't.
How exciting is this? Mama Bear's freezing to death out here right now. It's like 50 degrees. She's frozen solid. Okay, now for the test. Does this thing still latch? It's a bitch to get in. Oh, I missed it. Is this side in? I don't know if this one side's in. Yeah, it's in. Okay, look at that. Mama Bear. There it is. It is totally illegal again. Dang, look at that, man. I'm not gonna do too much B-roll or anything on there, although that'd be cool. But there it is. We got a mess to clean up, and I'm hungry. But hopefully this weekend, babe, we'll be able to ride.
Yeah.
Just for good measures, let's. One little plastic piece. I'll have to order one more plastic. I forgot about this thing that's sliding in here. Dang it. So close. Alright, that's it. It's back together, Mama Bear. Next time we see Mama Bear, she'll be on this bad boy, and we'll be going down the road. How you feel about that?
Good.
I feel good.
I feel great. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. And as always, stay safe. And subscribe, like, all that fun stuff as I hit Mrs. Moto in the back of the head. And we'll catch you in the next one.